Hi everyone, and welcome to the Tech Zone. Today, we're diving into the ever-evolving world of smartphones, and specifically, we're taking a closer look at a series that's been making waves in the mid-range market, the Samsung Galaxy S series. From sleek designs and vibrant displays to powerful processors and impressive cameras, the S series has something for everyone. So, buckle up as we explore what makes these phones tick and why they might just be your next perfect mobile companion. First things first, let's break down the S series itself. It's a lineup of mid-range smartphones that cater to a wide range of users and budgets. Think of it as a smorgasbord of options, with different models boasting unique features and specs to fit your needs. We've got the A13 for the budget-conscious, packing a punch despite its friendly price tag. The A53 and A73 strike a balance between affordability and flagship-worthy features, while the A83 and A93 go all out with premium specs and cutting-edge technology. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The S series constantly evolves, with new models and updates refreshing the lineup regularly. So, no matter what your priorities are, there's a good chance you'll find an S series phone that's your perfect match. Now, let's talk aesthetics. Samsung knows how to make a pretty phone, and the S series is no exception. These devices are sleek and stylish, with slim bezels, vibrant displays, and a variety of eye-catching colors to choose from. Whether you prefer a classic black or a trendy pastel, there's an S series phone that speaks to your style. And the displays, the displays. They're crisp, bright, and perfect for everything from browsing the web to binge-watching your favorite shows. But a pretty face isn't everything. The S series is also packed with powerful processors that can handle your daily tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking like a pro or gaming on the go, these phones won't let you down. And don't forget about storage. With ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos, you'll never have to worry about running out of room again. Plus, many models offer expandable storage, so you can keep adding more as your needs grow. And now, for the feature that truly makes the S series shine, the cameras. These phones are equipped with impressive camera systems that let you capture stunning photos and videos, even in low light conditions. We're talking multi-lens setups, high megapixel counts, and eye-powered scene optimization that automatically adjusts settings for the perfect shot. So, whether you're a seasoned photographer or just love documenting your life on social media, the S series has you covered. Let's face it, nobody wants to be chained to a charger. That's why the S series comes equipped with long-lasting batteries that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, stream, game, chat, and more, all without worrying about your phone dying on you. And with fast charging capabilities on many models, you'll be back up and running in no time. So, to wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy S series is a compelling lineup of mid-range smartphones that offer a fantastic balance of features, performance, and affordability. With a variety of models to choose from, there's truly an S series phone for everyone. Whether you're a tech-savvy enthusiast or a casual user looking for a reliable daily driver, the S series is definitely worth checking out. So, head over to your nearest Samsung store or browse online and experience the list.